Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu everyone. We are giving you 10 sayings of Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu only because these are good for our dunya and akhirah. Here are these. First, fear God and you will have no cause to fear anyone. Second, resignation to the will of God is the cure of the disease of the heart. Third, the word of God is the medicine of the heart. Fourth, lead such a life that when you die, the people may mourn you, and while you are alive, they long for your company. Fifth, the days of life pass away like clouds, so do good while you are alive. Sixth, of all the follies, the greatest is to love the world. Seventh, opportunity is swift of flight but slow to return. 8. He who knows himself knows God. 9th, do not spoil your conscience for anything but heaven. 10th, the disease of the heart is worse than the disease of the body.